Hello, it's Wednesday, December 9th, 2009, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily update from UFXBank. The dollar continued to gain versus most majors as investors turn to the safe haven of the dollar as the global economy keeps struggling to end the recession. President Obama called for more federal spending to fight unemployment. The euro continued to fall against the dollar, breaking below the 1.48 support level. German industrial production came out weaker at minus 1.8% versus the 1.1% expected, and this sent equity markets into decline. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 1.4680 and a high of 1.4867. French non-farm payrolls will be released tonight and are expected to remain with 0% change. Resistance with the euro-dollar is 1.4775, 1.483 and 1.4865, with support at 1.468, 1.461 and 1.456. The pound dropped versus the dollar after manufacturing production came out short, with 0% versus the 0.5% expected. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 1.6255 and a high of 1.6476. Resistance is at 1.6365, 1.6425 and 1.646, with support at 1.62 and 1.616. The yen gained versus the dollar and the euro as risk appetite continued to wane and investors sought the safety of the yen. Final GDP came out weaker with 0.3% versus the 0.8% expected. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 88.16 and a high of 89.51. Resistance is at 88.8, 89.20 and 89.75, with support at 88, 87.5 and 87. Finally, the CAD. This weakened versus the dollar as the Bank of Canada left the interest rate unchanged at 0.25%, and commodity prices continue to weaken, lowering the high-yielding currency's appeal. Housing starts came out at 159,000 as expected. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 1.0485 and a high of 1.0670. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.